just like, oh my gosh. But you watch them from this side, they're super nervous, and like, oh, here we go, here we go.
I'm telling them, you got this, you can do it.
And then when you see them come off the other side, they're just being like, oh. I think part of it's relief and part of it's like, wow, like we did it. So anyways, it's been a privilege to work with your young ladies, and I mean, it's just been amazing. I mean,
yeah, we want to thank everyone, the girls and the moms, especially if you came to the fittings. It can get a little crazy around here for us. We're all just kind of running around, and we just want to thank everyone for your patience during the fittings and the show. And this year the girls had a really unique opportunity. They were able to actually buy their dream prom dress, and they have the very unique opportunity to rock it on the runway, and then they'll rock it at their own prom. And if they didn't get the chance, Hannah, what can they do?
You guys need to come see me tomorrow, Martin Luther King Day. We will be there all day. The store might be a little bit of an explosion with dresses, but hey, there is definitely something for you guys there. We have, quite honestly, about 500 dresses in the store right now. So if you didn't see something on the runway, which I have a hard time believing, you can definitely come to the store and we will find something that's perfect for you guys. I want to just also let you know that as soon as the girls got off the stage, they went to the back and took a picture. So they have a full-length picture. We just want to give a thanks to Daisy Peraldi Photography because she has been doing all of that in the back. So give her a round of applause. They are getting a little grab bag, and in there are the instructions on how they can access front stage and backstage photography. And so we also have extras if parents you want to know. So we just ask that you give us a couple days to get them uploaded, and if you want prints, you can contact them directly.
I also want to give a round of applause to Elena, who is a member of our staff, and she was out here taking pictures. And so she is a high schooler, so she might be a little bit slower getting those photos uploaded, but please be patient with her because we love her.
I think she's the best dressed photographer I've
ever
seen. We would like to announce, so I'm going to bring up Lisa Carson, and she's going to take over.
What?
So before we start with awards, I understand we're just a little bit shy where we were hoping to be for scholarships. And so we're going to send Christina Stratton and Caleb Carson out, and they're going to have raffle tickets while we're introducing our first awards. They are $5 a piece, or you can get 5 for $20. And in addition to a prom dress, we have some items that were added to our raffle. There's a dinner at La Bodega that will go to one lucky winner. There's a Starbucks gift card, and then there's a grab bag that's full of all different kinds of fun products from Mary Kay, from Miriam, from Charming Charlie. So as we're doing these first ones, if you want a raffle ticket, raise your hand. We appreciate your support. Just wave your hand and they'll come to you. The first award that I want to talk about, Natalie is a huge believer in challenging people and giving them the opportunity to learn and grow. And we started the Teen Fashion Award. It was really inspired by her vision. And I'm going to ask Cameron Jones to come up to the stage for me. So Cameron is a student at Olathe Northwest. And one of the things that we asked the Teen Fashion Board members to do was to sketch a prom dress. I'm grabbing things off the table, sorry. So she sketched a prom dress, she wrote a press release, she created a Facebook event. My favorite part of Cameron's book, though, is her Pinterest, where she put flowers and tuxedos. She has this whole thing. It's really beautifully done. She's put a lot of time into this. And one of the things that I think is so neat is they got instructions and then they got to run with it and decide how they wanted to do it. They also worked in concert with their teachers or their sponsors in a leadership position to help make sure that their student organization had everything that they needed to be successful here. So tell us a little bit about what is your school going to do with the money that you raised?
All the money that we raised from the National Fashion Show is going to make our prom the best it can be. The junior committee, which is the group that's participating from Olathe Northwest, is in charge of planning prom from everything from like the tickets to the date to the venue to everything. So all of that, all the money is going to make that the best it can be.
That is a great way to use the money from a prom show. Everybody give her a huge round of applause.